I have a remote site here running WordPress on a temporary domain. And if I go back to my local installation, once I have the release, I can push it to the destination website. Just want everything. And the deployment was successful. On my remote website, I will open it up. Everything simply works. Builderius has staging and releases built in. This makes it possible to develop safely, track your changes, and roll back easily. You can deploy Builderius websites to static websites, here hosted on Cloudflare. We shipped this feature a month ago, or about a month ago, and I'll provide a link in the description for those that didn't see that. In this release, we also added a remote site deploy, this time not to static site, but to another website running WordPress and running Builderius. This is my local website now reverted back to beginning. It now runs pure starter site with just default posts and categories. There is no custom post types. If we open ACF, we'll see there is no fields, no post types or taxonomies. This is Sense AI. It knows your entire project. And on a local installation, it can operate the entire WordPress website. We do not allow this on a live site for security. On remote, only Builderius templates can be edited by AI because staging protects them. So let us make site-wide edits with Sense AI on the local website. I will tell Sense AI to convert these posts to custom post type, these categories into a custom taxonomy, and create ACF fields and attach them to the post. And press enter. Sense AI is telling us it is finished. Reload here, we'll see the project's custom post type with styles taxonomy assigned to posts. Rewire our post template to now show the custom post type. Click settings, add custom post with the condition of type is project, and save. And now we can open in Builderius. We can see that this is a custom post type. We can switch and preview easily. Now this area here is a table block, a default table block from Gutenberg that is located in the normal post content. Now I'm going to tell Sense AI to do the following. I want it to remove these two blocks from every post. I want to create an ACF group with these fields, fill it with the data from these blocks for every post, and then in Builderius add it to the element I'm now selecting. So let's see how Sense AI will do this. So it seems that Sense AI has finished. I'm going to create a new release. I'm going to call it 1.1 this time, and I'm going to call it final version. Toggle the publish and create a release. Once I have the release, I can push it to the destination website. I will choose what I want included in this deploy, and in my case, I just want everything. Set to publish on remote website and push the release. And the deployment was successful. On my remote website, I will reload, see my projects, go to my release, see that the release has been created here, extract all the data so that I can preview this in my builder, open it up, and seems it is good. Everything simply works. It's a seamless workflow, seamless migration, and you keep all the control.